So how to create e-learning in Odoo? So for that we have to install e-learning module. After installation, move to e-learning dashboard. So we will create a new e-learning or course, we can say. So let's say one stack, full stack development. Okay, so say HTML, no, let's say front end HTML, CSS, let's say that, and just add it. So the course is been added, e-learning course. So we can click on this course. So we can add some like some more titles to it, more sections to it, and just we can click on the view course. It will redirect us to our course.